Osmo Ikon Power Lift Bleach Dust Free Formulation. All Beauty. Japanese grown organic unbleached cotton pads 24 pads. Each single cotton pad is finely ginned to maintain long continuous cotton fibers. Hands and feet gel corrector for hydroquinone damaged digits. Wow, I got so many of the Raphe products and I really didn't want to make my recommendation yet until I have used for at least 1 month, which I now have, and this one for Malasma is the one I started with. I wanted to work with my conscience and make sure I use it for at least 30 days, so that every review I give is true and a fact. So the fact is, there is no better Malasma clearing product out there than this. I am even in tears as I am typing, and God knows I am emotional right now. Prior to now, the discoloration on my face almost eroded my self-confidence. I would sometimes put on foundation before an early morning run with my running group. I used every recommended products available and none worked. I just spent money for nothing. None worked as good as this 5-star product from Raphe. Raphe, I love you. I won't be doing you justice if I do not attach a before and after picture. But I will do so as I use the other products all over my body. The body wash powder and the bleaching milk I'm using currently, and will write a review on each and every one as I am already seeing the transformation. I would also attach pictures then. I am so loving my skin because I am not really bleaching to get another color. I am only getting my color back, which had been long damaged by sun and our harsh environment. I am proud to look in the mirror every day and admire my skin. I am happy again. In simple terms, follow the instructions and use these products as direction. Never ignore the bleaching powder wash for best result. They are the best in town. The folks at Raphe Laboratories sure know their stuff. Thank you all for giving me back my nice, bright, clear, and spotless complexion. I love you. I certainly must start a private label. I am considering that once I am done. Highly recommended. I am from Nigeria and ordered this to my cousin's address in the US when I visited. Due to our harsh weather and being a runner marathon, I train in the sun and got badly burnt. Bad melasma patches everywhere due to long sun exposure and possible bad product used. But all almost gone now. Skin looks great compared to before. Don't hesitate on these products. Any choice is a good one. Ladybird line ladies lightweight rhinestone zipper stylist jacket with clean, comfortable and PROFESSIONALOne thing that nearly all people universally view as a priority is appearance. Whether they are a professional stylist, or a casual visitor at a spa, everyone wants to look good and remain clean. Just as important, if not more important to people, is being comfortable as much as possible. For those who have professions that can get messy at times, cleanliness and comfort are an ever higher priority. Keeping all of these needs in mind, these stylist jackets feature a pleated back for added comfort and are made from a lightweight, hair and water repellent, bleach-resistant polyester. These jackets were made with comfort in mind without sacrificing their purpose. They also feature 2 side pockets to keep the tools of the trade close at hand, a decorative back belt, and fashionable rhinestone zipper. Sized chart. If you plan to wear these over heavier or bulky clothes, consider buying a size bigger: X small chest 38, length 32, small chest 40, length 32, medium chest 42, length 32, large chest 44, length 33, X large chest 46, length 33, 2X large chest 50, length 34, 3X large chest 54, length 34. Ladybird line cover with style.